Hey YouTube modeling community, Zach here, Zachley's Scale Models. Today I'm bringing out some other builds that I finished in 2020. Once again, trying to get them finished up so I can stay up to date on the videos instead of making it one video every 4 months and then building 94 cars that I can't catch up with videos on. Anyway, this is the AMT 1925 Chopped T Coupe kit. It's the one that has the stuff to build 2 whole cars in one. The other one I will show in a different video. But, of course, has some really nice spinning wheels, really nice chrome parts, and the kit overall I didn't have any major issues. I did do a little bit of custom work. The firewall, I used some putty and sanded the firewall to be smooth with the body. It's not perfect, but it looks better than it did in my opinion. Not a whole lot going on back here. The license plate and little pinstripes. You know, might as well have them there. This, for the taillights and the license plate, that little bulge is custom work. I just wanted somewhere to put taillights more conveniently without having them stick out on their own. The engine is built like it is in the instructions. I didn't do the supercharger because I made plans to put that on a different engine, which is going to go in a 37 Chevy probably. That's subject to change though. There's not too much over-the-top detail in the kit. Overall, it's pretty good though. Underneath, it's simple. The underside of the floor looks pretty rough because it is. So just don't look at it too hard. Overall though, I'm pretty happy with it. You can't really see inside because it's a Chopped T Coupe. You can kind of see the cherry seats in there and some chrome, and see my dash, my wheel, and you can't really see it, but the headliner and floor carpet are done in this flavor from an old kitchen cloth that we had. I thought it might look alright for some carpeting or something in my scale models, and I guess it did, even though you can't really see it on this one. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. I'll probably be putting up another video shortly after this one of another Model T that is very different. So, I'll see you then.